What's up, people? So I hope you guys are doing well. So I'm gonna be going to the best reviewed nail artist or nail place in my city right now. So apparently they're not so old. They've been open for like a year or so from what I see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try them out today, and hopefully they, kill it for me. So I'm just gonna take you guys along. I'm gonna vlog this. I hope you guys enjoy this, and let me know how they did. I'll show you guys the end result as soon as I'm back. Okay, guys? So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay. What's up, people? So I'm back. I did my nails. I'm feeling kind of great. So I did a manicure and I did a pedicure. So I'm feeling all types of good right now, okay? And this is the night before my birthday and I'm feeling amazing. So I'm gonna show you guys what my nails look like. This is what I was looking for, the color I was looking for, baby blue. And I think they did a pretty good job. I think she did a pretty good job. They've been open for about a year, and so when I asked her, she said they've been open for about a year and 6 months. 1 year and 6 months so far, but then they made sure you walked out there happy. Do you get what I'm saying? We're good. I love the place. I think I might be going there often. So anyway, these are my nails. Like I said, I love it. I love it to bits. I love it's doing it for me, okay? Let me show you guys my feet. It's looking way better. It looked horrible before I left. So this is my feet right now, and it's looking cute, guys. Don't hate on my feet. I know it's not the best feet out there, but it's looking pretty cute right now. So I will just, I'll just deal with it. No screenshots, thank you. Overall, the experience was amazing. We're trying to keep the positive vibe and everything going because tomorrow is my birthday, and I'm trying to keep the spirit up. So, yeah, I'll be doing a lot tomorrow. So I hope you guys stay along with me. I'll probably vlog that as well tomorrow. I'm not doing it. But anyways, this is me closing out the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, as always, to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And of course, don't forget you're allowed to dream it, speak it, and definitely allowed to live it. So I'm going to see y'all in my next video, okay? Bye.